If you're encountering an OCR processing error on Vic.ai, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check document quality. Ensure that the documents you are uploading are clear and of high quality. Blurry or poorly scanned documents can lead to OCR errors. If necessary, rescan the documents at a higher resolution. Step 2. Verify file format. Make sure that the file format you are using is supported by Vic.ai. Common formats include PDF, JPEG, and PNG. If your document is in an unsupported format, convert it to a compatible one before uploading. Step 3. Review document size. Check the size of the document you are trying to process. Large files may cause processing issues. If the file is too large, consider splitting it into smaller sections and uploading them separately. Step 4. Update software. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Vic.ai's customer support. Provide them with details about the error and the documents you are trying to process so they can assist you more effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the OCR processing error quickly. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team for further assistance.